Module 8, Google Ads. Let's start with agenda for this module. First, we'll look at Google Ads introduction. We'll move on to how Google Ads work. We'll look at Google Ads account setup, Google Ad campaign, the account hierarchy. We'll talk about search advertising, which includes dynamic search ads. We'll look at keyword research tool and match types. We'll discuss display advertising, which includes remarketing and Gmail ads. We'll look at what are shopping ads. We'll look at video advertising, app campaigns, and conversion tracking. Google Ads introduction. Google Ads is Google's online advertising platform. In its own words, Google says that Google Ads allows you to take advantage of the benefits of online advertising. Basically, it is showing your ads to the right people in the right place at the right time. So this is what Google says. Google Ads was earlier known as AdWords. It has been rebranded as Google Ads. So let me cite an example to make it understand better. So if I open up a search query on Google saying online cake order Bangalore, and I would get to see a lot of search results which are organic below the ads. So it would take me a lot of time and effort to get to the first page and within top 10 results. Is there a way I can solve this problem, or I can solve this challenge? I can do it with the help of Google Ads. I can advertise on Google and generate paid traffic for my business. So this is what basically Google Ads will help me in doing so. Now in this case, what I can do is I can set up an ad campaign for online cake order deliveries, and as you can see on the screen, I can advertise the same against user's search query. User would be able to click through with one of the ad which I do on Google. He will end up on my landing page, and with that landing page he will have an option to transact with my business. So this is the easiest way I can achieve my business goal without breaking a sweat. However, I need to set up my ad account and also understand how advertising in Google works. So we'll look at the same in upcoming slides. Let's talk about the key advantages of using Google Ads. First thing is targeting. Next is Google Ads are measurable. We can have excellent campaign management with Google Ads, and it is very cost effective. Let's look at one by one the key advantages. Targeted. You can use keywords, ad location, even demographics like age, location, language, and also day, time, frequency, and also target particular devices using Google Ads. This is a fantastic method of advertising online. Measurable. All the ad clicks, all the conversion, including even you can come to have an insight about buying habits and patterns of consumers. You can also time to time optimize the campaign based on the measured metrics. Campaign management. You can do real-time online as well as offline campaign management. Costs. The comparative cost of doing Google Ads is pretty low than offline advertising, and you can start with an experiment budget. You can also set up daily or campaign level budgets. Let's see what are different types of ads which are possible in Google Ads. There are text ads and there are display ads. Text ads are primarily for search. Display have variety of application including ads on Gmail, YouTube and other places such as Google Partners who are publishers who are partnered with Google, where relevant or contextual ads can be shown. So these are the basic primary types of ad which we can do on Google's ads platform.